Okay, this is an LQYN stainless steel padlock from Amazon. The markings on it are made in China and stainless. It feels beefy. I'm sure it's made out of stainless steel. It's probably not the strongest in the world shackle wise, but you know, at least it's a solid steel lock. So let's see if we can get into this thing. Oh, all right. Big challenge there. We can pick it normally too. There are no security pins. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4. Click on 4, 5, 1. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3. All right, coming back. 2. Okay. So pretty straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In theory, there are 6 pins in there. 6 maybe didn't have to be picked. I don't know, or maybe I brushed it. Whatever. It's a very cheap lock. It doesn't have ball bearings, so definitely shimmable, easily pickable, easily zipped. So if you need something just to play with, or yeah, maybe just a sort of display saying, hey look, I'm secure, I promise. Don't come in and steal all my model airplane glue or whatever. This might do it. So anyway, there it is.